ازيكم يا شباب؟ ايه الاخبار؟ النهارده هناخد درس اسمه الساين لو. طيب ايه هي الساين لو دي؟ هي عباره عن ميثود، تمام، بتساعدني ان انا اجيب انجل يا اما اجيب سايد. طيب اول حاجه انا عندي تو كاركترستكس لازم اكون ماشي عليهم. اول كاركترستيك هنا، خلينا نعمل زوم ان. اول حاجه بتقول ايه؟ two sides and one angle. لازم يكون عندي عشان اطبق الساين لو دي، لازم يكون عندي two sides and one angle. طيب second characteristics is two angles and one side. ممكن يكون عندي two angles and one side. يبقى كده اول حاجة ممكن يكون عندي two sides and one angle. تاني حاجة two angles and one side. طيب تعال نشوف الاكزامبل ده. بنحله ازاي؟ دلوقتي انا عايز احل الاكزامبل ده، عايز اجيب مثلا length بتاع سي. اجيبه ازاي؟ ابص عندي two angles اهي، two angles and a one side اللي هي 6 سنتيمتر. طيب فين ال corresponding angle of the A اللي هو facing which side is facing the angle A؟ it's A اللي هي A small. يبقى هعمل 6 over sin 55 هعمل equal. طيب which side facing 73؟ side C. يبقى C over sin 73. طيب عايز اجيب C، هعمل cross multiplication، تبقى C عندي equal 6 times sin 73 over sin 55. بس كده وتطلع الانسر. طيب تعالى كده نحل كده. بيقول لي calculate the length of BC, write your answer to two decimal places. عندي هنا from A to B the length is 3.4 centimeter and we have here two angles. هنعمل zoom in. I have here two angles. طيب انا عايز side A، عايز BC. طيب which angle facing an unknown side؟ يعني عايز اشوف الانجل which is facing known side. يبقى الانجل 27 is facing 3.4، يبقى 3.4 over sin 27 equals 41 is facing BC, so BC over sin 41. يلا cross multiplication. So sin 27 multiplied by BC over sorry هي 3.4 multiplied by sin 41 over sin 27 equals BC. وكده يبقى ايه؟ جبنا السايد. طيب calculate the length of AC. فين AC؟ اهي AC. يلا السايد ده faces 10.8 يبقى 10.8 over sin 81 equals عندي ايه؟ angle 4080 facing AC يبقى AC over sin 48. نعمل cross multiplication تبقى AC equals 10.8 multiplied by sin 48 over sin 81. طلع الانسر. طيب هنا بيقول لك calculate the size of the missing angle theta, write your answer to one decimal place. يبقى عايز اكتب الانسر بتاعتي to one decimal place. دلوقتي المرة دي انا عايز الانجل the value of the angle. طيب هنعمل ايه؟ نفس الكلام بالظبط. عندي angle 86 facing 9.5 يبقى 9.5 over sin 86 equals theta facing 4.7, so 4.7 over sin theta, and then I will do a cross multiplication. So sin 86 multiplied by 4.7 over 9.5 equals sin theta. Okay, let's write it in the calculator. Here is the calculator, so it will be sin 86 and close the bracket times 4.7 over 9.5 equals 0.49. So I have here sin theta equals 0.49. Okay, I just want a sine theta, not the sine theta. I want just the theta. So I will do sine inverse in both sides. So it will be theta equals sine inverse of 0.49, which will give me the answer as an angle. Okay, let's try this. So shift sine, and then I will write 0.49 equals, so it will be 29.34. So the answer is 29.34 theta. The answer must be given in one decimal places, so 29.3. Okay, let's do this one. Calculate the size of the missing angle theta. يلا, I have this angle facing to this side, يبقى ايه 1.5 over sine 10, and then equals this angle is facing to this side, so it will be 7.6 centimeter over sine theta, and then cross multiply. It will be sine 10 multiplied by 7.6 over 1.5, which will give me sine theta. And the answer of this one, I will do theta equals sine inverse of the answer, and then the answer will be true. Okay, let's dive into a much hard questions. Okay, what about this one? I have here work out the value of x. I want the value of x. How can I get the value of x? Okay, first I have two angles and I should have another one side. So I have here only two angles. That is known. I must be having another known side. Okay, so to get the known side, I can get this vertical side by Pythagoras theorem, because we have here this is a right angle triangle. So to get it, I have the hypotenuse and I have the adjacent, so I can get the opposite. So to be in subtraction, so 13 square minus 5 square will be equals to, probably I can call it the opposite. Okay, equals okay, 13 square minus 5 square equals 12. So I have here 12. So this side is 12. And then I will do the job of sine law. So here I have that this angle is facing this side. So it will be 12 over sine 40. Okay, here I can't be having, or I don't have the angle. So how to get this angle? So from our known angles, that the triangle has the total of 180 degrees. So here I have only two angles, so I can get the third angle easily. What I have to do is 180 minus 65 plus 40, which will give me okay, this 105, so it will be 75, I guess. Okay, so this will be 75. Okay, after this I have the angle is 75. So which side is facing to the 75? It is the x, which is the unknown that we want to get. So it will be equals to sine 75 will be at the bottom and the x will be in the top, and then cross multiply to be 12 times sine 75 over sine 40 equals x. Okay, and then let's write it in the calculator. Here to be 12 multiply sine 75 close brackets, and then sine 40 close brackets equals 18.032. So the x is 18.032. 8, I think. There, sorry, let me double check. Times sine 75, sine 40, it will be 18.032. I want the answer to the nearest one decimal places, so it will be just an 18. We can call it 0.0. Okay, last one. I want the perimeter of triangle ABC. What's the perimeter? It's the sum of all sides. So I want this side of AB, and also I want the side of BC to get a perimeter. Okay, how can I get these sides? First, 105 has 13.1 is facing to each other, so to be 13.1 over sine 105 equals AB over sine 48, and then I cross multiply. So 13.1 times sine 48 over sine 105 equals the value of AB. Let me calculate it real fast. Okay, so this answer will give me sine 105. It will be 10.078. So when we write an answer for a step, we write it as a 4 significant figure. So 10.078. I can add 6, by the way. Okay, this is a 5 significant figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, it's 6 significant figure. Okay, so I have AB is equal to 10.0786. Can I get the value of BC? Yes, but first I want to get the angle of this one. But we know that the total angles of the triangle is 180. So 180 minus 105 plus 48. So it will be 180 minus 105 plus 48, which will give me 27. So this angle is 27. I think it's pretty obvious and it's logical because this angle is small, so 27 is a logical answer. Okay, next I will do the BC is facing angle 27, so BC over sine 27 equals, okay, I will not take my answer because if I'm in the quiz or the exam, okay, and I have took a wrong answer, let's imagine if this answer is the right one, it's actually the right one, but let's say if I get this answer like 8, so this answer is wrong, so I will be taking this answer wrong and will substitute in this equation, so the whole question will be wrong. So I will be taking the numbers of the questions to be accurate and don't lose any marks. So to be equal to 13.1 over sine 105, and then cross multiply. It will be 13.1 multiplied by sine 27 over sine 105, which will give me the BC equals to 13.1 times sine 27 over sine 105 equals 6.15707. I want the answer to the nearest 3 significant figure, so the BC will equals to 6.1. 1, 2, 3, we will look at the 5. The 5 will be round up, so 6.16, and the rest is zeros. But we gotta not write it. It's it's useless. It's just a zeros. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. So have a good day. Goodbye.